welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angelica with a brand new video. And today's video, by the title of the video, we're trying soft locs. I'm talking about the 30 inches. I'm talking about past the booty inches. Okay, so we didn't jump right into it because we're gonna do intro, but we're not gonna be fancy. So today we're doing the soft locs. There's an inch crochet locs. So then 1B, and let me show you. So basically how my hair I get it parted. The way I get it parted is braided. You see, it's braided and then I twisted it because I don't like taking out braids at all. I don't have the patience for them. I had the patience for twists, but braids, they were only parted like about halfway. Then twist it all the way down. So that's how the back looks. So like this part I didn't put it big. You do whatever size you want, but I did my pretty big, like medium size, due to the fact I didn't want to, I don't want a whole bunch of locs in my hair at all. So here's the locs. So it come with 4 packs. So when I say that it's long, it's long. So you got 4 packs, and plus it come with crochet needle and thingy. So yeah. I'm really not going to be filming too much, but I just want to show you, come on, show your part, show your hair. I know how everything, the hair and the links down the description box below. And if you want to check their Instagram, I put it right here on the screen, so you can check out their Instagram as well. So, yeah, without further, let's get into the video. Like I said, I'm gonna come back when I'm like figure out, because I did locs before, but I did it right with braided down. I never did like individual, so I want to see how it don't come out. So I'll come back and show you once I figure it out. Okay? So good, cool. Okay, cool. Okay, so right now we're a little halfway through. This is 1 pack of hair so far. So far with just 1 pack. I just needed the top 2 section. I'm done. So I'm about to use my second pack. And that's it. I just literally need 2 packs for this one. So I'll come back when I get up to the front for to show you the way I did it. Okay? Cool. Okay, so now at the front, so I got only these 2 left. I'm gonna show you. So all my hair is done. So basically what you need to do is get your crochet needle. You put it in like this. See? You put it in like this. Take your hair, you see it always got a pre-loop. You see the hole right there. Take that, put it into the crochet needle like this. Then you see this latch, close the latch and pull it through, just like this. Then you grab the 4 locs, the crochet hair, and your wet hair, put it here, okay? And close the latch and pull it. And undo it and put your hair like this to make it tight. Okay? I'm gonna do it to this side, but I have it over in. Okay, now what you need to do is take crochet needle and put it into the 4 loc like this. If you can, get it into it. Like this. Just get it in there, to the close to the side of the crochet hair where you looped it at. Take your wet hair, put it into the crochet needle, close it, and pull it through. You can do this a couple times because my hairline I had to do it a couple times, but it depends how long you have my hair, like my back, so it don't take a couple times to do this. You don't have to worry about it being perfect on top, because at the end you don't put some mousse on it and it's gonna be more fizzy on the top, but the end gonna look really thin, but as they go on and they go older, don't look more distressed, more, bigger anyway. So don't worry about it. Don't look neat. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, because at the end of the day, when it get old, it'll get bigger and just like this, make it more natural looking this way. Okay, just let you know. So to keep doing this until all your hair is into the crochet. All you have to do. Let me do this last one. Let me show you again in this one. Oh, put it in. So all you need to do is get the hair. Put your crochet needle through it. The best you can. Get the hair. And pull it through. And they keep doing it. And there you go. Don't take that long at all. It only took me, it's like 11:30 now. And it took me like 11:30 last night. So I started at 9 o'clock last night. So 9, 10, 11, then 11:30, and 11:30 now. This is 4 hours plus. I did it at night. Started at night. So about an hour. So about 5 hours, about 5 or 6 hours. Didn't take that long actually. I was so surprised. But look good. Now I'm gonna add this Cream of Nature Argan Oil from a Walker Foaming Mousse to help with the fit, to make it look more. I like this, but I want to make it look prettier, so I'm gonna put some of this foaming mousse on here. Oh, I'm getting it on myself. And then put it all over your hair. Get some fun. When you feel get fun, it helps lay down the hair, make it look more flat. And then you just blow dry it. Put like a silk or satin soft on your hair. Make it flat. Make sure you cover every part of your hair and the locks. Make sure you get your scalp and your locks. I guess I'm gonna come back once they dry. I'm gonna use my blow dryer to make sure it lay flat. So I'll be right back. And this is the final result of the side, which is so cute, so natural looking. Even though it doesn't inch, it's very lightweight, like it's not even heavy at all. So this is how the back looks. Look good, very natural. I'm gonna scan up for you to see how long it is. Keep in mind, I'm like about 5'2.5", 5'3", so I gotta back up. You see, this game almost go to my knees. For 36 inches. It is so cute. In the back. Yes. So keep in mind, I'm like about 5'2.5", 5'3", so I'm pretty short. And these are long. But I love them. They're so lightweight. They're not even heavy at all. They're not heavy at all. But with this, I forgot to mention earlier that with this, you don't have to do my way, but I feel it easier, especially if you don't have like passion tray or screen tray. You have passion tray or screen tray, you just wrap it around, but since I ain't had that, you either do it this way or you try to unravel, but these were hard to unravel, so I did I put the crochet in and pull it through, to hide it. But it came out really good regardless, so it's not going to take you long. It's super easy, perfect for a beginner who wants some soft locks. Individual, and so you can't afford to go to the hair salon, so you're doing it yourself. See how I did it? Perfect. So yeah, again, I leave the link below in the description box below if you want to purchase it here. So yeah, I honestly truly love this. Like, we've been wearing this for a long time. Like, my hair don't even hurt at all. So that is perfect. When it comes down to potato salad, especially using weave, if my hair is hurting afterwards, it won't last for me. Like this, I don't feel no pain from it at all. No tension, no nothing. That's what I love. So these are perfect for me. So I don't wear these for a while. When they're long, I still wear them. So anyway, that's it for my video for today. I hope you loved the video. I hope the video was so helpful for you. And please leave a like. Honestly, I mean, I don't care about likes, but if you find it helpful, you know, like it or comment, say, hey, I did a good job. So, make sure if you ever try this out, make sure you take some pictures, tag me. And Instagram, my Instagram down below in the description box. So yeah, that's it for me. Bye. Mwah.